she just say?
Yo, that girl just said she loved you and she was in a hillbilly truck.
Who said, love who?
A white chick.
She said to you, Kai?
She said it to you. She said it was the Shades.
Oh, I don't know who it is.
Monster sign.
Love you, Sky. Dang, thank you to whoever that was.
In a smart brain, I swear we're not the same. Broken promises and shattered glass in my past. She drinks a rock out the bottle, she don't want a glass. Forever showing my effort, you dudes irrelevant. No weed in my lungs, my thoughts straight intelligent. I hopped over an elephant like I'm heaven sent. Remember when I was broke and didn't have a cent.
I'm in downtown Hagerstown and I got people picking on me. But luckily I got Dirty Phil by my side.
I got you, bro.
For them bows. Throw them bows. Throw them bows.
Tell him it's a cold day in it. Stand up, get up. How to tell him it's a cold day in it. Future was ours. How to tell him it's a cold day in it. Stand up, get up. There's a spirit in the air. Future was ours.
I took a stab at reality, made a couple moves. Now I'm about to earn a salary, spitting dope bars to the ones that surrounded me. Teachers be amazed when I rap to the faculty. That's
No,
the greatest story ever told. The greatest story ever told. Make some noise. The greatest story ever told. They say got back in the game, boy. I never left. Never left. Got looks to kill, boy. Fresh to death. Snap back to tattoos. Now who's really looking at you? Ain't gonna go to war, but if you want it, my homie still. Thank you for everybody coming out here tonight, rocking with us. Hopefully we'll be back again. Shout out to the Washington County Arts and Entertainment Council, downtown city of Hagerstown. Yeah. Thanks to every one of y'all for letting us do this. Shouts out to all of y'all. We love you. Check us out on Facebook. I'm Dirty Phil. This is Skies, Little Skies, JLaw, Fat White, and my man Mac, who left.
And Mama Schillenberg.
And thank you to my beautiful mom, Susie, DJ Susie. Y'all have a great night, City of Hagerstown. Make some noise.
Thank you, yeah.